In this video, I will show you how to convert your Base44 web app into an Android APK file. First, open your web browser and go to your published Base44 app. Make sure the app is live and working properly. Once the app is open, copy the link of your published app. Now open a new browser tab. In the address bar, go to a website called median.com. Once the website loads, look for the option to add a new app. Click on it. You will now see a field where you can enter your app link. Paste the Base44 app link that you copied earlier into this field. After pasting the link, look for the Build button and click on it. At first, the platform may start building the iOS version of the app. This is normal. While the build is running, go to the right panel on the screen. In this panel, find the option labeled APK and click on it. As soon as you select APK, the platform will start building the Android version of your app. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the build is finished, a download button will appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the download button. When prompted, select the Android version and start the download. After the download is complete, you will have your Android APK file ready to use or install. Thanks for watching.